Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to create pie charts from single and multiple projects into Jira dashboards. So they're very easy to create and provide a good amount of information. So let's get started. Okay, so this is my Jira workspace and here you can see that I have two projects. So now first of all, we will create a pie chart using one of these projects. Let's say I will create a pie chart using clinic management project, and then the next step would be creating a pie chart using the data from these two projects, that is clinical management and data migration and analysis. So what I will do first is I will just go to the dashboards drop down and I will click on any of the already created dashboards. By the way, if you want to know how to create dashboards for multiple and single project, then you can have a look into one of my previously created videos on YouTube, that is Jira dashboard tutorial. It will give you a good insight on how to create dashboards very easily in Jira. I will post the link in the description. Okay, let's move forward. I'll just open this dashboard, and to create a new gadget over here, what I have to do is on the right hand side on the top, this is this edit button. I'll just click on this edit button, and now on the right hand side again there's an option to add a gadget. So I will just search for pie chart gadget. Okay, I've found it out. Now as soon as we have clicked this add button, we will see that we have got this column space created for pie chart. So what I have to do is either I can provide a filter over here or I can provide the project's name over here. So since we are creating using a single project, so what I will do is I'll start with giving a project name over here. So while we give the project name, all the issues which have been created under the clinic management project will be applicable to be shown as data within this pie chart. Now if we see over here, there is a drop down statistic type. This field tells us on what basis you want to segregate the data which will be created under this pie chart. For example, if I create pie chart with the statistic type assignee, the issues which have been assigned to different assignees will be shown with separate colors on this pie chart. And similarly, if I create this pie chart using the epic link, issues under separate links will be shown with different colors. Let's save it. Yeah. Now we can see under this project we have total 72 issues and 36 issues out of which are without any epic assigned to them. So I'll just maximize the view, and if we go on that particular segregation of the pie chart, then we have a link available to us where we can just click and see what all issues are under this particular segregation. So as we can see over here, all the 48 issues under this segregation which corresponds to this particular query, the project ID so and so and epic link is empty, I can see all those issues. Now if I want to see any of these issues, again I just have to click on that particular link. Now moving back to the dashboard, similarly if I want to see other issues, let's say I want to see issues under the patient details module, again I can click on this link and find out those issues. One more thing if we can see over here is that as we click on these links, we can see the percentages as well. That is, let's say requirements related to psychiatrist module is 9%. Let's say requirements related to general physician module is 11%. That is, the 11% of the issues fall under this particular epic. Okay, so that was how to create pie chart using a single project. Now to create a pie chart from multiple projects, what we have to do is we have to create a specific filter that would get us the issues from both the projects. Now to create the filter, I will just go to the filters options. Again, if you want to learn more about filters, then you can watch my tutorial specifically on filters on YouTube. I will post the link in the description. Okay, so let's go and click view all filters. Now since I want to create a new filter, what I will do is on the right hand side, I will click on this link, create filter, and here I will add the specific requirement. Let's say I want to create issues which have issue type equals to story and which have project. Now since I want to have more than one project included, what I can do is I will click on project in. Now select the projects which you want to include. Now let's search. Okay, so I have got total of 31 issues in both the projects. So now let's create this filter first and then we will go ahead and create the pie chart for the same. To create the filter on the top, I will click on this save as button and I will give it a proper name and click a submit. Now the filter has been created for me. I'll just copy the name of the filter and I'll go back to my dashboard. Again, to create a new pie chart, I will click on this edit button and select pie chart. Now here I can provide the specific filter which I have created just now, which has the data from both the projects included. Now select the statistic type. Again, I will select epic link over here. It will segregate the issues based on the epic. Okay, now let's save it. And if we open it, we can see that all these 31 issues have been segregated based on the different epics we have. And the rest of the specifications are same. That is, we can click on these links and check out the different issues, and we can see the percentages while we hover our mouse on the links. And since it is a cloud Jira which I am using, therefore we cannot configure the colors of different issues over here, but otherwise you can also go ahead and change the colors. So that was all in this video. I hope you liked the video. I hope your queries got resolved. If there is anything you want to discuss, you need to know, please do write to me in the comment section. Bye for now and thank you for watching.